When you are being questioned during a pretrial deposition, will it make a difference for you in your case if your answers are snippy, if they are snide, if they are sarcastic, if they are obnoxious? You want to know the answer? Come join me on this walk through the neighborhood as I share with you the answers to those questions. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is yes, it will make a difference. You want to know why? It's because the defense lawyer who is asking you questions not only is searching for the answers to those questions, but he wants to see how you respond. He wants to see what type of personality you have. He wants to understand what type of witness you will make if your case goes all the way to trial. If you are nasty, if you are snide, if you are snippy and give only one-word answers and you do it with an attitude, you know what? This attorney writes a report back to his insurance company and explains to them that you are nasty, that you are obnoxious, that you have an attitude. And you know what? That is going to be favorable for them because the jury's going to hate it. You think when you go to trial, you're going to be just the opposite. You're going to be polite and kind and suave and so beautifully eloquent. But yet now, during the deposition, you are not going to give this defense attorney any more information other than what he's asking. One or two-word answers. That's your strategy. That's your mindset. And guess what? That will come back to bite you on the butt because that's going to have a terrible effect for what this defense attorney sees as a possible witness. It will make a huge difference in the outcome. The defense attorney is going to think it doesn't matter what happened to this person, the jury is going to hate him. He's going to be nasty and sarcastic and obnoxious when I get up to cross-examine him at the time of trial. Now, who do you think that's going to be more favorable to? The defense or to his case? The reality is, if you are nasty and obnoxious, it is not going to bode well for you and your case. If, on the other hand, you recognize that this lawyer has a job to do, he's there to ask you a series of questions about what happened to you and what you remember and what problems you have today. If you go ahead and as politely as possible answer those questions, it will have a huge impact on how the attorney sees you and your potential case. If you are nice, if you are polite, if you are sweet, if you are kind, and recognize that this attorney is really not your enemy. Remember, he's not your friend. He's there to gain information to use against you. But if you come across as being polite and sweet and kind and nice and try to do everything possible to answer his questions without exaggerating, without telling something that's untrue, and now you're just sitting there trying to do the best you can in a bad situation, and you're trying to improve your station in life. You're trying to improve what happened to you, and you are thankful for the fact that you still have body parts. You're thankful for the fact that you still have two legs. You have other issues. You are disabled. You are unable to do many of the activities that you used to do before. But if you are nasty and snide and snippy and the attorney asks you a question, you say, no, that's not true. No. Guess what? He's now going to turn that around against you and now use it to value your case, use it to judge you and your case, and I guarantee you it will significantly impact how the defense attorney sees you and your case. So why do I share this with you? I share this with you because most people who decide to bring a lawsuit don't recognize the importance and the implications of what it means to answer these questions as brutally honest as possible. Most people who decide to bring a lawsuit don't recognize the significance and the importance of what it means to be polite, to be nice, to be kind. Instead, they think, hey, I'll save that for trial and show the jury, and I'll put on a big show to show the jury what a great person I am. But for this defense attorney, no, I'm going to let him have it because I know he represents the evil villain in this case. You know, I realize you're likely watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit, but are thinking of doing so, and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.